my name is Shruti Jagtap and I am from Atharva College of Engineering, which is located in Malan. So I've joined QSpiders on 22nd January 2024 itself, and I've been pursuing a Java full stack course over here. Over the course of my learning, I have completed various subjects such as SQL, SDLC, Core Java, various web technologies, and currently I'm also learning a Hibernate, that is a framework. I have had a very great experience over here. The main aim of the trainers over here is that every single student understands every concept that is taught in the class itself. They don't move forward until every concept is clear in everyone's head. So the another good point over here is that there are many mock interviews conducted over here, in which that helps you get over the fear of actual interviews. One more thing about QSpiders is that they also conduct various explanation sessions, as in you have to sit in a group and then you have to explain what has been taught on that particular day to everyone else. So that helps you get over stage fright as well. And I've been placed in a company as a trainee software developer with a package of 3 LPA. Thank you.